90% of enterprises will use AI agents by 2026. So you'll have to get ready. Everyone's asking, how do we actually get agents into the business? But here's the gap. People who build agents are not the ones who understand the business. And the ones who understand the business don't build agents. That's where agent architects come in. They translate messy business ops into agent workflows. They build and test these workflows without writing a line of code. They make sure agents don't break. They launch, they manage, they tune. They're half builder, half operator, 100% hands-on. And when we announced the idea, over 2,000 people said, "I want in." But we chose only the top 1%. Handpicked to shape the very first cohort, not just to join, but to help build what comes next. You're not just joining a cohort, you're shaping what agents look like inside real businesses. The Agent Architect Cohort. Let's build for real.